Boys into his first one. Just down the lake. Good morning, everybody. It's into his first one. That's it. Lift your rod. Stop reeling. Stop reeling. Just lift your rod. You can do it. Right. Remember I taught you? Hands underneath it. So if you need to turn it around. Oh, lift it up. Well done. First fish. Not a massive one, about £2. Well done.
I've got a fish in my net, we're so happy now. Feeling lucky today, gonna make a vow. Fish in my net.
Right, put your net. Bring closer to you. Bring closer to you. That's it. There we go. And away. And you go, and away.
Got his first fish.
Right, come on.
And now he lost it because fish is so impatient. So this video will never be live.
Alright, fair enough. Okay.
This is big.
No, you're bringing it too close there. No, it's come on.
Oh my god, that's big, though. How am I gonna lift that up?
Come on. Well done, Elliot. That's about
7 or 6.
£6 or £7. Well done. You alright with it? Oh. Right, there she is. Up. That's it, we got her. Well done. Oh, do you know how much it is?
No.
Just under £7.
Under? How much?
Just under £7. It's about 6, 8.
Oh.
6, 8, yeah.
Hear that?
Yeah, go on then, put it back in the bag. Just under £7. Come on, Carp. Well done, Elliot. Look at me. Well done.
Big bath, though.
Put your hand right down. No, put her in a bit more. That's it. There she goes. And away she goes. Say, and away she goes. Hit you right up with it. Tell me if you need help. And keep winding. Let her play. Alright, wind. Wind. That's it. Right, just come towards you. Wind.
I got it. This is all under control. I made a tribe with birds, so I can definitely make a tribe of fish. God.
Stop winding. Right, bring your rod up. Stop winding. Right, just bring your rod up. Keep bringing it up. That's it. Slowly. Now wind. That's it. Oh, you're nearly here. Go on, wind. She's coming. There she is.
I know I'll be able to. This is great butterfly. I don't know how.
Got it?
Oh yeah. Oh, in control.
Rod up.
Rod up.
That's it. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
I'm pulling up as much as I can.
Right, bring your rod up. Up. That's it. Go up. Go on. Now reel. Reel. That's it. Again. Up. Up. This way. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, that's common.
This way, bring it this way. No, whoa. Not too much. Right, just don't whine now, just bring your rod up. Rod, up like that. That's it. There we're done, Elliot. Second fish. And now he wants to go home.
Oh, he has a mirror.
It's not a mirror, it's
Oh,
common.
he has a mirror scale.
Right, put it in the net. In the net. That's it. Right, unclip the net. You release her. Got her?
Yep. This one's. Yeah, this
Right
one's.
then, put her in the water.
Don't know how that one's right.
Right, make sure her head goes the other way. Right, that's it, like that. So hold the other end. Yeah. Right, now bring it down. That's it. Like that she go. There she goes. Well done, Elliot.
Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe and leave a comment.